Mosquito XE. You have never really had fun until you have tried the Mosquito XE. This exciting new vehicle has a unique unibody construction made entirely of high-quality fiberglass in a vinyl ester matrix. Designers recognize that these materials give the Mosquito XE the best combination of weight, structural integrity, and functionality. It isn't surprising, therefore, that the Mosquito buzzes along at a top speed of 85 miles per hour and can easily fly 4 hours with a 30-liter aux tank. This lightweight device weighs in at 136 kilograms and is powered by 60 horsepower 2-cycle 2-stroke engine. Not satisfied with the capabilities of the Mosquito XE? Engineers created the Mosquito XEL, an improved version of the XE which comes with floats, a vertical stabilizer, and a reduced fuel capacity of 5 US gallons. The XEL has a top speed of 80 miles per hour with the same engine of the Mosquito XE. You can have each of these models at prices ranging between $20,000 to $23,000 US dollars. Gen H4. This is the Gen H4, widely reputed to be the world's smallest helicopter. It was produced by the Gen Corporation and was most probably inspired by the sci-fi animated cartoon series The Doraemon, in which they use bamboo copter to fly in the sky. The H4 is no haphazard construction, however, as its frame is made of 2-inch aluminum pipes, and its ultralight 70-kilogram frame is powered by 4 Gen 125 engines, which push this vehicle to speeds of up to 80 kilometers an hour. As it is currently being constructed and sold in Japan, you may need a currency converter to see if you can afford this device. Trixy Spirit. Much like its name, the Trixy Spirit looks nothing like any other vehicle on this list. It has a distinctive profile open cockpit design, as well as a carbon fiber composite body, and is fixed to a steel framework measuring 15.5 feet or 4.7 meters in length. The overall effect is one of a simultaneously retro and modern look, which is the point the designers were going for. When you operate the Spirit, you have the option of dual controls or a single instrument panel that can be installed on either side. You also get an additional 5.3 cubic feet of space spread across 5 storage compartments. With a maximum takeoff weight of 560 kilograms and a flight ceiling of over 3 kilometers, it is easy to see why this vehicle will cost you about $47,000 to purchase. Quicksilver Sport-2S. The Quicksilver Sport-2S was conceived as a way to create the best side-by-side trainer of all time. Somewhere down the line, this device grew to have strutted wings, wider cockpit, rugged aluminum steerable nose wheel, and larger wheels. Regardless of its many pretensions, the Quicksilver maintains a sleek and efficient design that only needs about 660 feet of runway to take off and 484 feet to land. The entire vehicle weighs about 195 kilograms without pilot and is equipped with a Rotax 582 engine, which can power it to speeds of up to 141 kilometers an hour. You can pick up this device at the dealership if you have an extra $15,000 lying around. SubSonex JSX-2. The SubSonex is an innovative single-place jet built by Sonic Aircraft's Hornet's Nest development team. Commonly referred to as a microjet, this aircraft features landing gear that was changed to a tricycle configuration with a manually retractable nose wheel, an empty weight of 500 pounds, and can carry an extra weight of 500 pounds, as well as cruise at a speed of 240 miles an hour and reaches its maximum speed of 265 miles an hour. It made its debut at AirVenture 2009 to pretty much unanimous applause, and has been in use since then for pilot training purposes. Cub SS. The Cub SS is a production model that has gained international renown as a lightweight sport aircraft. It was specially designed for off-airport operation with a powerful engine, strong lightweight airframe, and nimble low-speed manners. The interesting thing about the Cub is its unique design, which makes it more than 300 pounds lighter, with 50% less moving parts than other vehicles in its class. Another feature sure to blow your mind is its amphibious landing and an oleo shock system which features trailing link gear. You can test these capabilities out for yourself at prices starting from $189,000. Stinson 108. This classic four-seater airplane was one of the most popular offerings from the Stinson division of the American airplane company Consolidated Vultee. From the end of World War II to 1950, the Stinson took off as one of the most commonly purchased aircraft in the United States. This demand has continued to the present time, with records showing that there are 2,709 Stinsons of all models currently registered in the United States. Of those, 2,088 are of the 108 variety. Featuring a wingspan of 10.3 meters, this vehicle is 7.7 meters long and 2.3 meters high. It has been demonstrated to have a 36-gallon usable fuel capacity and reach maximum speeds of up to 143 miles per hour, with a cruising speed of 121 miles per hour. You can take it for a spin if you purchase it at its current value of between $25,000 to $40,000. Luscombe 8. The Luscombe 8 is a series of high-wing side-by-side seating monoplanes with conventional landing gear. Designed and built in 1937 by Luscombe Aircraft to be the face of the company, the Luscombe Model 8 features a set of unique, horizontally opposed engines that had just been developed by the engine manufacturers. Its frame famously uses no wood in its construction, and it features a monocoque fuselage with fabric-covered metal wings. In addition to this, it also features a vertical stabilizer and horizontal stabilizer implemented in 1947. Also a fuel capacity of 25 US gallons added to it, and it has a 90 horsepower or 67 kilowatt engine that powers it to speeds of up to 128 miles an hour. You can purchase this monoplane at prices starting from $20,000. Sonex OnEx. Aside from a really catchy name, the Sonex has its unique foldable wings and design working in its favor to make it the most affordable single-seat aircraft on the market. Constructed at a scale of 85% of the competition, the foldable wings make storage a breeze while its empty weight hovers around a very manageable 600 pounds with a cruising speed of 155 miles an hour. If you can afford it, you can purchase this device at prices starting from $25,000 US.